Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about nouns. Nouns are everywhere around us, and by the end of this lesson, you'll easily be able to identify them. Let's begin. A noun is a naming word. It names a person, place, animal, thing, or idea. For example, person teacher, place school, animal dog, thing book, idea love. Remember, a noun is the name of a person, place, animal, thing, or idea. Let's look at some examples. Sentence 1. Rahul is reading a book. The nouns are Rahul and book. Sentence 2. The dog is playing in the park. The nouns are dog and park. Sentence 3. My teacher is very kind. The noun is teacher. See? Nouns are easy to find once you know what to look for. Now, let's do a quick activity. Can you identify the nouns in these sentences? Sentence 1. The cat is sitting on the chair. Pause the video and think. The nouns are cat and chair. Sentence 2. Priya lives in Delhi. The nouns are Priya and Delhi. Great job. Let's quickly revise. A noun is a naming word. Nouns can name people, places, animals, things, ideas. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun English grammar lessons. See you in the next video.